It's June 17th, 2023. As you can see, the broccolinis are flowering again, and I'm gonna harvest these flowers today. And these are the broccolini flowers that I harvested today. Another harvest that I'm going to do today is the mulberry. You can see a lot more mulberries have turned dark purple, and they are ready to be harvested. And these are the mulberry that I harvested today. Quite a lot. It's June 25th, 2023. There's a lot more growths in the garden. Let's start the updates with the peony. It's no longer flowering, and you can see this flower has dried up. Here's the lavender and a cute bee. So you can see the lavender flowers have opened, and they've been attracting quite a lot of bees. And this bumblebee is still here. Very cute. And over here is the grape. A lot more flowers have faded, and you can see a lot of them are turning into grapes. Here's the cluster that opened first, and you can see they're turning into grapes. I'm really hoping these would mature and we can finally get some grape from the garden. And here's the blueberry. All the fruits are still developing and maturing. You can see they're still green. So probably gonna have to wait for a few more weeks and we'll get some delicious blueberries. Here's the pineapple. Looks like it's still doing pretty well outdoor. Here's the rhubarb, lots of leaf growth. Looks like there's some pest munching on the leaves. And mulberry, you can see a lot more of the mulberry have matured. A lot of this dark purple fruits that can be harvested today. Oh, that's the stinkbug. Not good for the garden. Here's the asparagus and the potatoes, all growing pretty well. And the raspberry, you can see some fruits have turned red. These ones are pretty deformed because they're not pollinated completely. However, if you look over here, you can see these newer fruits that are developing are a lot fuller because the bees have finally found the flowers. And broccolini is flowering again. These new flowers can be harvested as well. Here's the Chinese lantern plant. Looks like they're still growing. And finally, here's the catnip. The catnips are flowering now. I haven't seen the bees on the flowers yet. And here's the hydrangea. Looks like the shooting star variety is not flowering. And this other variety over here, the flowers have finally opened and they're gonna change color pretty soon. There's some more flowers over the plant. It's hard to get to, but yeah, here you can see another cluster. And one of the mini oncidium has sent out some new flower spikes, so we'll probably see some flowers soon. And this is the harvest I did today from the mulberry. You can see we got a whole lot more a week after that first harvest. And just to show you how much, this is a regular whiskey glass, and you can see it has completely filled up the whiskey glass.